What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we are flying the 172, as you can see right here. It's today, but yes, today is Wacky Wednesday. We're not really gonna do anything wacky. We're just gonna be flying the 172. And yes, one wacky thing we are going to do. We're gonna have extra hard landings. This is gonna be a 10-minute video. I have a start. How does this thing even work? I'm just gonna bring the thing to start and stop this. I don't even know how to turn it on, but yes, folks, today we are with this game that we've been through today. And yes, so let's get this 172 up and started. But yes, folks, what I was gonna say is that hopefully you guys can hear me first of all. What I was gonna say is that first, that if you could help subscribe to the channel. I'm thinking at 10 or 20k I'm gonna sell merch. But yes, that's what we're gonna do. But yep, it's Wacky Wednesday, which you know how Wacky Wednesday goes. By the way, it lets the landing gear go up on the 172, which I really don't like. I like it being down, but I don't even know. By the way, how are you guys today? Because we're flying in the 172, so don't blame it on me. Why do I still have my nose gear up? That's sus. That's just so sus. Bro, turn. I found out that it's kind of easy, kind of not easy. But it's not that easy buttering planes in the sim. But now I'm so used to it that I can only butter. But how did I already get rid of that much fuel just taking off? It's already been 2 minutes into the video. Well, that was like crazy. Like that went way too fast, I have to say. And don't tell anybody that, unless you sub to the channel, or you're like a secret somebody or something like that. Oh my god, how am I gonna do this? There's no choice. I have no choice but to like stall it, sort of. You know what I mean? Okay, 9. Okay, we're not gonna put it on all. Okay, guys. Yes, folks. We're going to be having a horrible landing here in the sim. Yep, and that was a simulator in here, which we have to restart because I had such a bad landing. But yes, folks, hopefully you will enjoy this video so far. But let's just get to see the detail in this map. I know it's not the best, but hey, just it's fine. It's fine, so don't blame me. Who wants to go this way? Who wants to go this way? Oh, it takes forever for it to get off. Yes, folks. Flaps full. God, you should, bro, that was just the craziest takeoff. That's a noob takeoff. You should do like Wacky Wednesday. That's it, bingo. Noob versus pro. This is noob #1. Yeah, that's a noob. Okay, and here's a pro. Okay, here's a pro. Yes. Okay, let's see. Check. 50. 100. Perfecto. I'm gonna use my rudder, make sure I'm perfectly aimed at the runway. That's what the pro would say. And he's gonna have a gentle takeoff. He wants his flaps on, let's see. Okay, 50%. Okay. Let's see how he does. Which, by the way, I'm flying it, but see how I do. Okay, he turns off his flaps. Which I turn off the flaps. Okay, yes. Okay, he climbs altitude. Okay. Now he's turning this way. It's kind of confusing me. Which I don't want, but actually I don't know where I'm going. So don't blame it on me. It's kind of confusing me. Okay. At least it's not as bad as the Noobs. Turns down his throttle. What is he doing? By the way, I don't even know what I'm doing. Don't blame me that I'm trying to fly 172 and at like 70 knots, 80 knots. But hey, don't blame it on that. We need to make sure the landing is beautiful. That's all that pretty much cares. Landing is pretty much the only thing that we need to know. Okay. He's got it pretty good in here. Pretty good. That was a bad landing, but yes, he did make it. And he puts his flaps down. Okay. Okay, works on the 172 here. I like the way you put the flaps down. It looks satisfying seeing the flaps down. A special angle. I don't know why, it just is. Now let's see a takeoff by Noob again. I'm putting it on just a little bit faster. Pushing the engine button so that will help it. Okay. Puts his flaps off. Okay. There's a late touchdown too with the landing with him. Let's see what with me. Okay, pretty good. Turns down throttle. Let me read it. Give me a sec. Okay. He's climbing altitude though. By the way, he's slowly climbing altitude. By the way, I still need to back land on the runway because it's a 10-minute video today for Wacky Wednesday. Well, it is wacky, kind of wacky. That I'm trying to land this plane in at least 30 seconds. Mouse joystick, okay. In the comments down below, just rate my landings. I'll say what my landing is probably gonna be. I only have 10 seconds left of here. Yes. Horrible. Come in. 8, the pro took over, so don't blame me. And that's it for this video, guys, but have a great day. Noobs rules. That's it for today, and thanks for Crazy Games, but thanks. I will see you guys in my next episode. And thank you guys, and please subscribe to the channel.